Welcome to the Magic Garden, where we're doing another sound bite with the Crystal Alchemy singing bowls. And today we're continuing with my elemental set, which is tuned to the frequency of 432, which is associated with the earth and nature. And this bowl is called Divine Feng Shui. It's actually 5 different alchemies representing each of the earth elements, which also correspond to our bodies. So for the earth element, we have Sedona red rock. For the fire element, we have charcoal. For the water element, we have abalone. For the air element, we have platinum. And for ether, we have Azeztulite. So see how this bowl makes you feel as we tune in